Wendy pulls out the gun.
Wendy Howard, she is charged with the murder of Kelly Pitts.
She shoots him twice.
Vigilante justice, it's not something that's acceptable.
It is a look that Wendy has seen before.
That is not the mindset of self-defense, that is the mindset of murder. He should not be dead. I ask you to find Wendy Howard guilty of either second-degree murder or voluntary manslaughter due to passion.
And you cannot use self-defense against a monster?
Good evening, and thanks for joining us here for 17 News at 5 on a very busy Friday. I'm Tammy Melchak.
And in for Jim tonight, I'm Chris Burton. It's good to have you here, but we begin tonight with a major update in your 17 Court Watch. A Kern County jury has found Wendy Howard not guilty of murder in the shooting death of her ex-boyfriend who molested their teenage daughter. The jury also considered lesser charges of second-degree murder, voluntary manslaughter, imperfect self-defense, voluntary manslaughter, heat of passion, and involuntary manslaughter. Ultimately, they reached verdicts of not guilty on everything except voluntary manslaughter, heat of passion. The jury deadlocked 7-5 in favor of a guilty verdict on that charge. Howard was charged with first-degree murder after she killed Kelly Reese Pitts outside her Tehachapi home. She testified she confronted Pitts about the molestation, then shot him as she drove toward her on an ATV, fearing for her life.
Joining us now, we have 17's Jason Katowski, who covers the courts for our digital team. I know you've been in the courtroom virtually every day for this trial. What was the reaction in the courtroom when these verdicts came down?
It was interesting because in this case, we got to see we got an idea of what the verdicts were before the jury was even called in. Judge Charles Bremer called in the public and the media before calling in the jury to announce that at 11:28 a.m. the jury had sent in a note saying that they had reached verdicts on charges of first-degree murder and second-degree murder, but had not reached verdicts on the manslaughter charges. Now, this told us that basically they had found her not guilty of the murder charges because they would not even consider the lesser-included charges. If they had convicted her of first-degree murder, their job would have been done. They wouldn't have considered any of the lesser charges. So by them saying that they reached verdicts on first-degree and then the lesser charge of second-degree murder, and then we're deadlocked on the remaining charges, that told us right then that they had reached not guilty verdicts on those charges. And so what happened at that point is there was a brief break called while the jury was brought in. Howard got up, she hugged her boyfriend, she was sobbing. I mean, she realized in that moment she was not facing a life sentence behind bars anymore. And her daughter cried. Others became emotional in the courtroom. Right then they knew that although she wasn't out of the woods yet, that she was no longer facing a life sentence.
And we're looking at some video here, people hugging one another outside the courtroom.
So the not guilty on those major charges, which obviously is the big one. But let's get into the weeds a little bit here. Those involuntary manslaughter, or voluntary manslaughter, charges, they're a little bit tricky because the jury had to consider two of them. And why is that?
Yes, well first you brought up involuntary manslaughter. There was a little confusion in court at first because the jury said they could not reach a verdict on involuntary manslaughter, but then they told the judge they hadn't voted on that charge. So the judge sent them back, they voted on it, they found her not guilty of involuntary manslaughter. Now there were two theories of voluntary manslaughter. One is imperfect self-defense, the second is heat of passion. In imperfect self-defense, you have killed somebody under the belief that you were facing either death or serious bodily injury. You actually believe that, but if a jury looks at that and finds you guilty under that theory, it means that they found that that belief was unreasonable. Under the voluntary manslaughter, heat of passion, it means that you were provoked, you felt intense emotions, and you acted out basically in a rage when you killed that person. On that charge, as you mentioned earlier, the jury voted 7-5 guilty on that charge, nearly a split for that one. So that's the one remaining charge where there was no decision rendered.
And we should mention there is a gag order in this case, and no one can talk, and the reason being what happens next, this may not be over yet, right?
Yes, it is a little tough. We did, the judge addressed this. He did say, I want to remind everyone in the audience, there is a gag order. The attorneys can't talk, Wendy Howard can't talk, none of the investigators involved can talk to us. But what does happen next is that a hearing has been scheduled for November 18th. It's a status conference, and at that hearing, the prosecution is going to announce whether it has decided to retry her on that voluntary manslaughter charge, or there's also the possibility they may try to offer a plea deal in the intervening time or after the 18th, or they may decide to dismiss the case entirely. We don't know yet what's going to happen. I'm sure Prosecutor Eric Smith and District Attorney Cynthia Zimmer and the other higher-ups at the DA's office, they're going to be having some serious discussions about this in the coming weeks ahead of that hearing.
Well, especially with that 7-5 verdict. It's not like it was 11-1. So they're, like you said, they're going to have some serious talks.
Yes, yes. I mean, there are some cases where the jury comes back and it's very clear that, hey, maybe we can get that one juror the next time. But in a case like this, like you said, almost evenly split.
Yeah. All right, 17's Jason Kadowski, thanks so much for joining us and covering this case.
Thank you.
I know, folks, you can find more on our website, kget.com.